In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update Sony Xperia 5 to Android 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Sony Xperia 5 has received plenty of Android updates, including Android 11 and even Android 12. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a software update so you can access these more recent versions of Android on your Xperia 5. So to start, I would recommend checking the notification tray. So before you even go into these settings and you manually try to trigger the update, just see if you have a notification about a software update. If you do, it is going to have a symbol similar to this one with an arrow or some sort of download indicator, and all that you have to do is tap on it. So if you have the notification, you just tap on it and you will be able to start. If you want to double check or you don't see this notification, then all that you have to do is access the system settings. So open the settings and all the way down at the bottom, look for the system category. Inside of system, you will see advanced, and inside of advanced, you can find these software update options. So go into system, advanced, and then finally software update all the way down at the bottom. So this is what the icon looks like. Immediately upon going into software update, if you see a message similar to this one, your device already has the latest available system updates, then you don't have to do anything. You are good to go and you are running the latest version compatible with your device. However, if you see a message similar to this one, Xperia system update, version ready to download, then all that you have to do is tap the option to download and update your phone. So check to see if there is a system upgrade, and if you do find one, you will be able to do it here. It's simple and it is always going to check for you when you go into the software update tab. Upon performing the update, you will not be able to revert back, so keep that in mind. And after you update to Android 11, you can even update to Android 12. It is available for the Sony Xperia 12 as well, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to update Sony Xperia 5 to Android 12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.